We interrupt this current program to tell you that there is a missile threat to pdazien. If you're indoors, go to your basement or shelter. If you're outdoors, find the nearest shelter or basement you can find, as fallout might kill you. Fallout is the residual radioactive material propelled into the upper atmosphere following a nuclear blast that can kill you if you breathe it in. Do not look at the explosion. Doing so might cause temporary or even permanent blindness. There is more info about the missile. It seems the missile is from North Korea and will impact at Supokra, this country's capital. The impact time is now. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill.